Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this really pretty soft purpley lilac look with a nice pop of liner. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's this beautiful sparkly liner and I love the way this turned out. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, I'm going to start off by taking my Lay and Low Paint Pot by MAC and I am going to apply this all over my lid. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to use the Huda Nude palette. I'm going to take the shade Bare, which is that shade there, and I'm just going to use this to set my primer. So now I'm going to take the shade Lace, which is this purpley shade here. Can you guys tell that I'm in a lilac-y kind of mood? And I'm going to use this in the crease. And if you're thinking, why is this bee being so quiet right now? My baby's asleep. He's a really good sleeper, but I just don't want to be too loud. I'm just building this shade up in the crease and then taking whatever's left over up further, closer to the brow bone. Yeah, this is really pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that. I have been really into lilac lately. I like purple, and lilac. It's probably the only pastel shade that I really like. And it's just a really pretty soft color, you know? I don't know why I was going to tell you guys that. I'm going to take this really tiny brush and I'm going to take the shade, we're going to take Spanked, which is this shade up here. And I'm just going to take the tip and then lightly place this into the crease, and then this is just going to add more definition and contrast. I don't really know where I'm going with this look. And I'm carving out the crease, as you guys can see. I'm taking very light, soft motions, and I'm going to blend that up. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye the same way. Having a pointed brush really makes a difference because the color placement will be a little bit more precise. You could also do a cut crease the pretty common way, which is you basically work on your crease color and then you take a concealer or a cream shadow and just place that over the areas that you want to clean out, and essentially you leave out you basically do the mobile lid and don't add any of that concealer or cream shadow to the crease. But for somebody like me that would rather not do the extra step, this is how I do it. You guys can see this is my eye that's just slightly more lifted. This one's a little droopier. I'm gonna blend that out, and you want to blend up, not down, because then that defeats the purpose. All right guys, I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever liner and I'm going to line my eyes and do a wing. After I do that, we're gonna come back and add some glitter to this look. All right guys, I don't know what this is gonna turn out like because I've never done this before, but I'm going to take Gypsy. This is one of the Stila glitters, and I'm going to use a MAC 210, which is a very thin brush, and I am going to basically follow the eyeliner that I've already applied, and this is the Marc Jacobs Mist Me, which is one of my all-time favorite liners. I had Too Faced or a Tarte gel liner that was lilac, but I can't find it. That's really what I wanted to use. This is really pretty actually. I was worried that it was going to be a little dry because I haven't used these. I'm just gonna do my wing. I'm going to take my NARS concealer in Ginger, and I'm going to use a MAC 286 brush, and I'm just going to use this to conceal my under eye. This is still one of my favorite concealers. And then the wing, we're gonna work on the wing once I get my concealer and foundation on. I just really want to make sure that I clean it up and that it's nice and sharp. For today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Skin Glow in the shade 3 Warm Olive. I'm going to set my face using the Milk Makeup Setting Powder. Okay, so now that I have on my base, I'm going to go back in with Gypsy and my 210 liner. And I'm just going to go over the wing. Alright guys, so I'm going to take some of my concealer and I'm going to be using this really thin Smith Cosmetics liner brush. And I'm actually just going to clean up right under my brow to give it just some definition and also to clean up any hair or jankiness, because I look green today. I think it's the purple, but I can see that my lighting is off, so I apologize. I just played with my settings a little bit, so hopefully that will make a difference, but if not, my bad guys. I never change the lighting or the settings on my I was gonna say on my phone, on my camera. I'm gonna go back in with Spanked and my pointy brush, and I'm going to just deepen up that line. I love the way this looks, guys. I'm gonna take Mist Me, which is the purple liner, and I'm going to use that in my waterline. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take some more of this Gypsy glitter from Stila, and I'm going to just use that to line the lower inner corner. Yeah. Alright guys, you know what I'm going to use on my cheeks. Like, I think it's been pretty obvious that Mama is still going hard on this Saint Tropez bronzer, and I'm just going to use this to add warmth. Man, I freaking love this look. And if you don't own Gypsy, you need Gypsy. It's so unique. I'm probably going to end up doing another look with it because I'm having this, I'm telling you guys, I'm having a lilac moment. I've recently picked up some sweaters that are in lilac. I just love how soft it is. I love a purple. I'm loving this look. Look. So now I've been trying to think about what kind of lip to do. I kind of want to do a hot pink, but I feel like I want to keep it soft. So we're going to play with some things. I'm going to take Cover FX bronzer. This is in Sunkissed, and I'm just going to dip into the matte part and just blend it. I know my hair looks crazy, but I had to pull it out of my face. For my cheeks, I'm going to be dipping into my Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm palette. I have been loving this, as you guys can tell, because I've been using it a lot. And I'm actually just going to take the lighter shade of blush. I think I'm going to do like a weekly makeup basket, kind of like what I'm going to use for the week. And I think that'll help with switching up my products, because I am a creature of habit. I do, once I find something that I'm really enjoying, it's hard for me to break free. Hence why you're seeing this in a lot of I think it's safe to take it down. hence why you're seeing this in a lot of videos. Also, why you're seeing my bronzer and just a lot of different things. I feel like I've been pretty good about switching out my foundations, but everything else, like, I just kind of have to play. Look at this. It is delicious. So I'm going to go into my Glowgasm palette, and I'm going to use a highlighter to highlight right under my brow. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I hope that this is reading as pretty as it is in person. It's so soft and feminine and ethereal. I don't know, it's so beautiful. And I ended up going with NARS liquid lipstick in Save the Queen, which is just a really pretty soft pinky purpley shade, and I think it's just like the perfect combination for this eye. I can't tell you guys how much I love this and how happy I am with this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave a comment down below letting me know what some of your requests are. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.